Hello, my beautiful blossoms. It's Lily here from Inspirational Flower, your sanctuary of love, friendship, and nature's serenity. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our blooming community. Today, I have a heartwarming tale to share with you, a tale of petal proposals and promises. Our story begins in a quaint little town, nestled amidst rolling hills and a sea of wildflowers. Here, we meet our protagonist, Michael, a young man with a heart full of love and a mind brimming with dreams. Michael was in love with a woman named Emily, a woman as radiant as the sunflower and as delicate as the lily. Michael wanted to propose to Emily, but he wanted it to be special, unique, something that would echo their love story. And so, he turned to nature, to the language of flowers, to communicate his love. He spent days and nights learning about flowers, their meanings, their symbolism. He discovered that red roses symbolized love, daisies innocence, and forget-me-nots true love. With this newfound knowledge, Michael began his quest. He started leaving Emily flowers, each with a special meaning. A bouquet of daisies to symbolize their pure love, a bunch of forget-me-nots to promise his undying affection, and finally, a single red rose to express his deep love for her. Emily, touched by this unique expression of love, began to understand the language of flowers too. She found joy in deciphering the messages hidden in the petals, and their bond grew stronger. The day of the proposal arrived. Michael led Emily to a meadow, a sea of wildflowers under the starlit sky. He handed her a bouquet, a mix of flowers, each telling a part of their love story, and amidst the petals, he hid a ring, a promise of a lifetime together. Emily, overwhelmed with emotion, said yes, and they promised to love and cherish each other, just like the flowers in the meadow, blooming in harmony. And that, my beautiful blossoms, is the tale of petal proposals and promises, a story that teaches us the power of love and the language of flowers. It reminds us that love is not just about grand gestures, but also about understanding, patience, and the little things that make a relationship bloom. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. Remember, every petal tells a story and every bloom inspires. So let's continue to grow, flourish, and find joy in life's simple pleasures. Until next time, keep blooming.